Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Let us discuss how to compare very large numbers and very small numbers. Here is an example. The diameter of the sun is 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 meter. And the diameter of the earth is 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7 meter. So we have to compare between the diameter of the sun and diameter of the earth. So the diameter of the sun divided by diameter of the earth is equal to 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 divided by 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7. So this is equal to 1.4 by 1.28 into 10 to the power 2. So 1.4 by 1.28 is approximately equal to 1. So that is approximately equal to 100. So the ratio of the diameter of the sun and diameter of the earth is 100. So that means the diameter of the sun is 100 times of the diameter of the earth. Next example, the size of red blood cell is 0.000007 meter and the size of a plant cell is 0.00001275 meter. So in standard form, the size of RBC, red blood cell, is equal to 7 into 10 to the power, so we'll say 6. So 7 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. And the size of plant cell is equal to, the decimal point will shift here. So this is 1.275 multiplied with 10 to the power minus 5. So if we have to compare, then the ratio of the size of RBC to the size of plant cell is equal to 7 into 10 to the power minus 6 by 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 5. So this is equal to 7 by 1. This is nearly equal to 1.3 multiplied with 10 to the power minus 6 minus of minus 5. So this is equal to 7 by 1.3 multiplied with 10 to the power minus 6 plus 5, that is minus 1. So this is equal to nearly equal to 7 by 1.3 into 10. So this is 7 by 30, or this is nearly equal to 1 by 2. So that means the size of a RBC, red blood cell, is half of the size of a plant cell. Next example, mass of earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Mass of moon is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. So what is the total mass? So total mass we can calculate, that is 5.97 multiplied with 10 to the power 24 plus 7.35 multiplied with 10 to the power 22 kg. So this is equal to 5.97. So if the 10 to the power 22 will take is common, so we have to convert it into 10 to the power 22. So into 100 into 10 to the power 22 plus 7.35 multiplied with 10 to the power 22 kg. So this is equal to 10 to the power 22 whole into 597 plus 7.35. So this is equal to, that is 604.35 multiplied with 10 to the power 22 kg. The total mass of Earth and Moon is 604.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. The next example, the distance between Sun and Earth is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter, and the distance between Earth and Moon is 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. So during solar eclipse, Moon comes in between Earth and Sun. Then at that time, what is the distance between Moon and Sun? So we have to subtract the distance between Sun and Earth to the distance between Earth and Moon. So the net distance, between Moon and Sun during eclipse, during solar eclipse, is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 minus 3.84 into 10 to the power 8. So this is equal to 1.496 into 1000 10 to the power 3. We can write it as 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 8 minus 3.84 into 10 to the power 8. So this is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power 3 minus 3.84 whole to the power 10 to the power 8. So this is equal to 1496 minus 3.84 into 10 to the power 8. So these are all meter. So this is equal to, this is 16. 1492.16 into 10 to the power 8 meter. So here in this way we can use the exponent to compare between larger numbers or smaller numbers.